No time I left my mini-me. Bad mind, I like my synergy. My life is like a...
Welcome to ReggaeMedia. Trinidad artist Prince Swanny was shot and nearly killed in Miami, Florida. Yes, you heard that right. This is breaking news. Many believe he was based in Georgia, but all along Prince Swanny had been staying in Miami. The shocking incident took place on Christmas Day last year, and we're breaking the story to you exclusively right now. Prince Swanny and a friend were hanging out in his backyard when gunmen opened fire from the fence, targeting both of them. Prince Swanny sustained a gunshot wound to his hand, while his friend was also injured. During the attack, it was a brutal and calculated ambush, leaving many in shock, and I am sure my viewers, you guys are shocked as I am, right? The 6 and the 7, I believe, are aware of what happened, but usually the 7, would come on social media and mock Prince Swanny or mock what happened. They did it when Puppy 6 from the 6, got shot in Miami, right? I guess that's not the case anymore. So ReggaeMedia is making the story public to you right now. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos, right? The attack explains why Prince Swanny has been absent from social media. He's been quietly recovering from, dealing with the aftermath after this horrific ordeal, and we wish Prince Swanny a speedy recovery and strength, you see me? So we wish all the best for the artist, that he's healing from his gunshot wound right now. This attack is another reminder of how dangerous Miami has become for artists, from Prince Swanny to Squash, Byron Messiah, and even Alkaline, right? It's clear that Miami is no safe haven. Artists who live there have to stay low-key to avoid escalating violence. So my advice is this: if you are an artist living in Miami or any high-risk area in Miami, Florida, whatever, prioritize your safety. Be careful, move careful, keep a low profile, and avoid unnecessary exposure. Sometimes the best way to protect your peace and yourself and your success is to stay off the radar, like what Pablo YG said. So let's push for peace in the music industry, in Trinidad, and the ongoing conflict between, the 67 and, Prezzi. That war never stopped, and it's not only impacting the artists, but it's also impacting the family and the community. So it's time to, stop the violence, and we can preserve, the talent that we have, the talented artists in Trinidad, So, just stay tuned. We will give you more updates as more updates come, who might be behind this attack. Sometimes we find out who they're behind it, sometimes we don't, right? But for now, all we can do is wish Prince Swanny a full recovery and hope for peace in our community, because we don't want to come here and always talk about stuff like this. I always do. I keep doing videos on the Trinidad scene, the multiple videos, Prezzi videos, Prince Swanny videos, Cayman 6 videos, Watah videos, all those other videos, and I always preach and say the same thing. We want the violence to stop, and we want the artists to unite, So that's what I have to say right now. And as I said, this is breaking news. So share it to your mother, share it to your friends, share it to your uncle, share it to your sister, share it to your girlfriend, your sister-in-law, brother-in-law, your niece. Whoever in your family, whoever to share it, whoever in Trinidad, let them know what is happening. So this is the breaking news right now. ReggaeMedia giving you the latest, right? So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.